Surah, number 43, of Quran Majeed. The ornaments.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Hamim.
Hamim.
وَالْكِتَابِ الْمُبِينِ.
By the manifest book.
إِنَّا جَعَلْنَاهُ قُرْآنًا عَرَبِيًّا لَعَلَّكُمْ تَعْقِلُونَ.
We have made it an Arabic Quran so that you may exercise your reason.
وَإِنَّهُ فِي الكتاب لدينا لعلي حكيم.
And it is sublime and wise with us in the mother book.
أفنضرب عنكم الذكر صفحا أن كنتم قوما مسرفين.
Shall we keep back the reminder from you and disregard you because you are an unrestrained lot?
وَكَمْ أَرْسَلْنَا مِن نَّبِيٍّ فِي الْأَوَّلِينَ.
How many a prophet we have sent to the former peoples.
وَمَا يَأْتِيهِم مِّن نَّبِيٍّ إِلَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
There did not come to them any prophet but that they used to deride him.
فَأَهْلَكْنَا أَشَدَّ مِنْهُم بَطْشًا وَمَضَىٰ مَثَلُ الْأَوَّلِينَ.
So we destroyed those who were stronger than these, and the example of the former peoples has already come to pass.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ لَيَقُولُنَّ خَلَقَهُنَّ الْعَزِيزُ الْعَلِيمُ.
If you ask them, who created the heavens and the earth? They will surely say, the Almighty, the All-Knowing created them.
الذي جعل لكم الأرض مهدا وجعل لكم فيها سبلا لعلكم تهتدون.
He, who made the earth a cradle for you, and made for you in it ways so that you may be guided to your destinations.
والذي نزل من السماء ماء بقدر فأنشرنا به بلدة ميتا كذلك تخرجون.
And who sent down water from the sky in a measured manner, and we revived with it a dead country. Likewise, you shall be raised from the dead.
والذي خلق الأزواج كلها وجعل لكم من الفلك والأنعام ما تركبون.
He created all the kinds and made for you the ships and the cattle such which you ride.
لتستووا على ظهوره ثم تذكروا نعمة ربكم إذا استويتم عليه وتقولوا سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين.
That you may sit on their backs, then remember the blessing of your Lord when you are settled on them. And say, immaculate is he who has disposed this for us, and we, by ourselves, were no match for it.
وَإِنَّا إِلَى رَبِّنَا لَمُنقَلِبُونَ.
Indeed we shall return to our Lord.
وَجَعَلُوا لَهُ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ جُزْءًا إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَكَفُورٌ مُبِينٌ.
They ascribe to him offspring from among his servants. man is indeed a manifesting great.
أم اتخذ مما يخلق بنات وأصفاكم بالبنين.
Did he adopt daughters from what he creates while he preferred you with sons?
وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدُهُم بِمَا ضَرَبَ لِلرَّحْمَنِ مَثَلًا ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ.
When one of them is brought the news of what he ascribes to the All-Beneficent, his face becomes darkened and he chokes with suppressed rage, and says,
أَوَمَن يُنَشَّأُ فِي الْحِلْيَةِ وَهُوَ فِي الْخِصَامِ غَيْرُ مُبِينٍ.
What? One who is brought up amid ornaments and is inconspicuous in contest.
وَجَعَلُوا الْمَلَائِكَةَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ عِبَادُ الرَّحْمَنِ إِنَاثًا أَشَهِدُوا خَلْقَهُمْ سَتُكْتَبُ شَهَادَتُهُمْ وَيُسْأَلُونَ.
They have made the angels, who are servants of the All-Beneficent, females. Were they witness to their creation? Their testimony will be written down and they shall be questioned.
وَقَالُوا لَوْ شَاءَ الرَّحْمَنُ مَا عَبَدْنَاهُمْ مَا لَهُم بِذَلِكَ مِنْ عِلْمٍ إِنْ هُمْ إِلَّا يَخْرُصُونَ.
They say, had the All-Beneficent wished, we would not have worshipped them. They do not have any knowledge of that, and they do nothing but surmise.
أَمْ آتَيْنَاهُمْ كِتَابًا مِّن قَبْلِهِ فَهُمْ بِهِ مُسْتَمْسِكُونَ.
Did we give them a book before this, so that they are holding fast to it?
بَلْ قَالُوا إِنَّا وَجَدْنَا آبَاءَنَا عَلَىٰ أُمَّةٍ وَإِنَّا عَلَىٰ آثَارِهِم مُهْتَدُونَ.
No, they said, we found our fathers following a creed, and we are indeed guided in their footsteps.
وَكَذَلِكَ مَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن قَبْلِكَ فِي قَرْيَةٍ مِّن نَّذِيرٍ إِلَّا قَالَ مُتْرَفُوهَا إِنَّا وَجَدْنَا آبَاءَنَا عَلَىٰ أُمَّةٍ وَإِنَّا عَلَىٰ آثَارِهِم مُقْتَدُونَ.
So it has been that we did not send any warner to a town before you, without its affluent ones saying, we found our fathers following a creed and we are indeed following in their footsteps.
قَالَ أَوَلَوْ جِئْتُكُم بِأَهْدَىٰ مِمَّا وَجَدتُّمْ عَلَيْهِ آبَاءَكُمْ قَالُوا إِنَّا بِمَا أُرْسِلْتُم بِهِ كَافِرُونَ.
He would say, what? Even if I bring you a better guidance than what you found your fathers following? They would say, we indeed disbelieve in what you are sent with.
فَانْتَقَمْنَا مِنْهُمْ فَانظُرْ كَيْفَ كَانَ عَاقِبَةُ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
Thereupon we took vengeance on them, so observe how was the fate of the deniers.
وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ لِأَبِيهِ وَقَوْمِهِ إِنَّنِي بَرَاءٌ مِّمَّا تَعْبُدُونَ.
When Abraham said to his father and his people, I repudiate what you worship.
إلا الذي فطرني فإنه سيهدين.
Excepting him who originated me, indeed he will guide me.
وجعلها كلمة باقية في عقبه لعلهم يرجعون.
He made it a lasting word among his posterity so that they may come back to the right path.
بل متعت هؤلاء وآباءهم حتى جاءهم الحق ورسول مبين.
Indeed, I provided for these and their fathers until the truth and a manifest apostle came to them.
ولما جاءهم الحق قالوا هذا سحر وإنا به كافرون.
But when the truth came to them, they said, This is magic, and we indeed disbelieve in it.
وقالوا لولا نزل هذا القرآن على رجل من القريتين عظيم.
And they said, Why was not this Quran sent down to some great man from the two cities?
أهم يقسمون رحمة ربك نحن قسمنا بينهم معيشتهم في الحياة الدنيا ورفعنا بعضهم فوق بعض درجات ليتخذ بعضهم بعضا سخريا ورحمة ربك خير مما يجمعون.
Is it they who dispense the mercy of your Lord? It is we who have dispensed among them their livelihood in the present life, and raised some of them above others in rank, so that some may take others into service, and your Lord's mercy is better than what they amass.
ولولا أن يكون الناس أمة واحدة لجعلنا لمن يكفر بالرحمن لبيوتهم سقفا من فضة ومعارج عليها يظهرون.
Were it not for the danger that mankind would be one community, we would have made for those who defy the All-Beneficent silver roofs for their houses and silver stairways by which they ascend.
ولبيوتهم أبوابا وسررا عليها يتكئون.
And silver doors for their houses and silver couches on which they recline.
وزخرفا وإن كل ذلك لما متاع الحياة الدنيا والآخرة عند ربك للمتقين.
And ornaments of gold, yet all that would be nothing but the wares of the life of this world, and the hereafter is for the God-weary near your Lord.
ومن يعش عن ذكر الرحمن نقيض له شيطانا فهو له قرين.
We assign a devil to be the companion of him who turns a blind eye to the remembrance of the All-Beneficent.
وَإِنَّهُمْ لَيَصُدُّونَهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ.
Indeed they bar them from the way of Allah, while they suppose that they are rightly guided.
حتى إذا جاءنا قال يا ليت بيني وبينك بعد المشرقين فبئس القرين.
When he comes to us, he will say, I wish there had been between me and you the distance between the east and the west. What an evil companion you are.
ولن ينفعكم اليوم إذ ظلمتم أنكم في العذاب مشتركون.
Today that will be of no avail to you. As you did wrong, so will you share in the punishment.
أفأنت تسمع الصم أو تهدي العمي ومن كان في ضلال مبين.
Can you, then, make the deaf hear or guide the blind and those who are in manifest terror?
فإما نذهبن بك فإنا منهم منتقمون.
We will indeed take vengeance on them, whether we take you away.
أو نرينك الذي وعدناهم فإنا عليهم مقتدرون.
Or show you what we have promised them, for indeed we hold them in our power.
فاستمسك بالذي أوحي إليك إنك على صراط مستقيم.
So hold fast to what has been revealed to you. Indeed, you are on a straight path.
وإنه لذكر لك ولقومك وسوف تسألون.
Indeed it is a reminder for you and your people, and soon you will be questioned.
واسأل من أرسلنا من قبلك من رسلنا أجعلنا من دون الرحمن آلهة يعبدون.
Ask those of our apostles we have sent before you, did we set up any gods to be worshipped besides the All-Beneficent?
ولقد أرسلنا موسى بآياتنا إلى فرعون وملئه فقال إني رسول رب العالمين.
Certainly we sent Moses with our signs to Pharaoh and his elite. He said, I am indeed an apostle of the Lord of all the worlds.
فلما جاءهم بآياتنا إذا هم منها يضحكون.
But when he brought them our signs, they indeed laughed at them.
وما نريهم من آية إلا هي أكبر من أختها وأخذناهم بالعذاب لعلهم يرجعون.
We did not show them a sign, but it was greater than the other, and we visited on them punishment so that they might come back.
وقالوا يا أيها الساحر ادع لنا ربك بما عهد عندك إننا لمهتدون.
They would say, O magician, invoke your Lord for us by the covenant he has made with you, to remove this scourge. We will indeed be guided, when it is removed.
فلما كشفنا عنهم العذاب إذا هم ينكثون.
But when we lifted the punishment from them, behold, they would break their pledge.
ونادى فرعون في قومه قال يا قوم أليس لي ملك مصر وهذه الأنهار تجري من تحتي أفلا تبصرون.
And Pharaoh proclaimed to his people, saying, O my people, do not the kingdom of Egypt and these rivers that run at my feet belong to me? Do you not perceive?
أم أنا خير من هذا الذي هو مهين ولا يكاد يبين.
Am I not better than this wretch who cannot even speak clearly?
فلولا ألقي عليه أسورة من ذهب أو جاء معه الملائكة مقترنين.
Why no bracelets of gold have been thrown to him, nor any angels accompany him as escorts.
فاستخف قومه فأطاعوه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
Thus did he mislead his people and they obeyed him. Indeed, they were a transgressing lot.
فلما آسفونا انتقمنا منهم فأغرقناهم أجمعين.
So when they roused our wrath, we took vengeance on them and drowned them all.
فجعلناهم سلفا ومثلا للآخرين.
Thus we made them the vanguard and an example for posterity.
ولما ضرب ابن مريم مثلا إذا قومك منه يصدون.
When the son of Mary was cited as an example, behold, your people raise an outcry.
وقالوا أآلهتنا خير أم هو ما ضربوه لك إلا جدلا بل هم قوم خصمون.
They say, are our gods better or he? They cite him to you only for the sake of contention. Indeed, they are a contentious lot.
إن هو إلا عبد أنعمنا عليه وجعلناه مثلا لبني إسرائيل.
He was just a servant whom we had blessed and made an exemplar for the children of Israel.
ولو نشاء لجعلنا منكم ملائكة في الأرض يخلفون.
Had we wished, we would have set angels in your stead to be your successors on the earth.
وَإِنَّهُ لَعِلْمٌ لِلسَّاعَةِ فَلَا تَمْتَرُنَّ بِهَا وَاتَّبِعُونِ هَذَا صِرَاطٌ مُسْتَقِيمٌ.
Say, indeed he is a portent of the hour, so do not doubt it and follow me. This is a straight path.
وَلَا يَصُدَّنَّكُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ إِنَّهُ لَكُمْ عَدُوٌّ مُبِينٌ.
Do not let Shaitan bar you from the way of Allah. Indeed he is your manifest enemy.
ولما جاء عيسى بالبينات قال قد جئتكم بالحكمة ولأبين لكم بعض الذي تختلفون فيه فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
When Jesus brought those manifest proofs, he said, I have certainly brought you wisdom, and I have come to make clear to you some of the things that you differ about. So be wary of Allah and obey me.
إن الله هو ربي وربكم فاعبدوه هذا صراط مستقيم.
Indeed Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so worship him. This is a straight path.
فاختلف الأحزاب من بينهم فويل للذين ظلموا من عذاب يوم أليم.
But the factions differed among themselves. So woe to the wrongdoers for the punishment of a painful day.
هل ينظرون إلا الساعة أن تأتيهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
Do they not consider that the hour may overtake them suddenly while they are unaware?
الأخلاء يومئذ بعضهم لبعض عدو إلا المتقين.
On that day, friends will be one another's enemies, except for the God-weary.
يا عباد لا خوف عليكم اليوم ولا أنتم تحزنون.
They will be told, O my servants, today you will have no fear, nor will you grieve.
الذين آمنوا بآياتنا وكانوا مسلمين.
Those who believed in our signs and had been Muslims.
ادخلوا الجنة أنتم وأزواجكم تحبرون.
Enter paradise, you and your spouses, rejoicing.
يطاف عليهم بصحاف من ذهب وأكواب وفيها ما تشتهيه الأنفس وتلذ الأعين وأنتم فيها خالدون.
They will be served around with golden dishes and goblets, and therein will be whatever the soul's desire and eyes delight in. You will remain in it forever.
وتلك الجنة التي أورثتموها بما كنتم تعملون.
That is the paradise you have been given to inherit for what you used to do.
لكم فيها فاكهة كثيرة منها تأكلون.
There are abundant fruits for you in it, from which you will eat.
إن المجرمين في عذاب جهنم خالدون.
Indeed, the guilty will remain forever in the punishment of hell.
لا يفتر عنهم وهم فيه مبلسون.
It will not be lightened for them, and they will be despondent in it.
وما ظلمناهم ولكن كانوا هم الظالمين.
We did not wrong them, but they themselves were wrongdoers.
ونادوا يا مالك ليقض علينا ربك قال إنكم ماكثون.
They will call out, O Malik, let your Lord finish us off. He will say, indeed you will stay on.
لقد جئناكم بالحق ولكن أكثركم للحق كارهون.
We certainly brought you the truth, but most of you were averse to the truth.
أم أبرموا أمرا فإنا مبرمون.
Have they settled on some devious plan? Indeed, we too are settling on our plans.
أم يحسبون أنا لا نسمع سرهم ونجواهم بلى ورسلنا لديهم يكتبون.
Do they suppose that we do not hear their secret thoughts and their secret talks? Yes, indeed, we do. And with them are our messengers, writing down everything.
قل إن كان للرحمن ولد فأنا أول العابدين.
Say, if the All-Beneficent had offspring, I would have been the first to worship him.
سبحان رب السماوات والأرض رب العرش عما يصفون.
Clear is the Lord of the heavens and the earth, the Lord of the throne, of whatever they allege concerning him.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون.
So leave them to gossip and play until they encounter the day they are promised.
وهو الذي في السماء إله وفي الأرض إله وهو الحكيم العليم.
It is he who is God in the sky, and God on the earth, and he is the all-wise, the all-knowing.
وتبارك الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما وعنده علم الساعة وإليه ترجعون.
Blessed is he to whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them, and with him is the knowledge of the hour, and to him you will be brought back.
ولا يملك الذين يدعون من دونه الشفاعة إلا من شهد بالحق وهم يعلمون.
Those whom they invoke besides him have no power of intercession, except those who are witness to the truth and who know, for whom to intercede.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَهُمْ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّىٰ يُؤْفَكُونَ.
If you ask them, who created them? They will surely say, Allah. Then where do they stray?
وَقِيلِهِ يَا رَبِّ إِنَّ هَٰؤُلَاءِ قَوْمٌ لَّا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
And his plaint, my Lord. Indeed these are a people who will not have faith.
فاصفح عنهم وقل سلام فسوف يعلمون.
So disregard them, and say, peace. Soon they will know.